Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Ionos Webmail account. Let's get started. First, go to the official Ionos website. On the upper right corner of the homepage, click on the Sign In button. Next, choose Customer Login and click Sign In again. On the login page, find the Webmail option. It is usually located at the bottom. Click on Webmail to open the login screen. Now, simply enter your email address and password associated with your Ionos email account. Once you've typed in your credentials, click Login. And that's it. You're now inside your Ionos webmail, where you can check your inbox, send emails, and manage your messages with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips.